comes into stall 4. They're all set to race, and away they go from the 1400 to a good enough beginning for them. There's a Light got away to a neat start, goes off to the lead with Just Var directly behind it. Sigrid Swing down the inside is over racing ever so slightly. Gaelic Dance is also handy in fourth, and Thumby towards the outside is going up there too. Call Me Master. Tokyo Medallia is back on the rail, about 5 lengths off the leader, with Viva de Janeiro and Sovereign's Call will be the back markers, 7 off them. Runners go past the 1,000-metre mark, and it's There's a Light, joined up front by Just Var. It's There's a Light, a length and a half clear. Just Var is second. Thumby races deep in third. Sigrid Swing on the fence is fourth. Then Gaelic Dancer in fifth position, 3 lengths off the leader. Tokyo Medallia, the white cap down the inside of those. Then Viva de Janeiro, Sovereign's Call, and behind that was Call Me Master. Homeward bound, they reach the last 500. There's a Light, the leader, with Just Var. Down the inside is Sigrid Swing. 3 lengths away then to Sovereign's Call. Down the centre's Gaelic Dancer. Call Me Master's making up ground towards the outside. Then Tokyo Medallia. Inside the last 300, There's a Light, the leader. Sigrid Swing down the inside. Just Var's towards their outside. Further back then to Call Me Master inside the last 200, and Just Var has put his head in front. It's Just Var. Andrew Fortune hits the front. There's a Light is back in second, but Just Var goes on to score. Just Var wins it from There's a Light. Sigrid Swing third, then Call Me Master. Thumby behind that, Viva de Janeiro, Tokyo Medallia, Sovereign's Call and Gaelic Dancer. Well, Just Var has reeled off his 5th career win now. Son of Var seems to be rejuvenated on his return back to Johannesburg. Well done to Andrew Fortune. He'll be well pleased that he got this one home for his butt. And well done to Aventur Thoroughbred Farm. They are having their second win at Turffontein this afternoon. And Grant Maroon is the winning trainer. There's a Light second, Sigrid Swing third, and Call Me Master completes the quartet.
Number 1, Just Var has won despite this weight increase here, 60.5 kgs. Well done to Grant Maroon. Lovely to have Mr. Peterson on course. Andrew's brother involved here as well, Mr. H. Fortune. Aventur Bred, and of course Andrew Fortune himself. First time he's ridden this horse, you gave it a very clever ride. You were very quiet there.
Ashley picked him. My brother owns him, and I rode him. Yeah. It's quite thing that's happened. But yeah, how well has Grant done with this horse?
Unbelievable.
Can you believe that Grant's got 10 horses?
Yeah, how good he is.
The man won the Classic 2 years ago. He just continuously does well.
Sandringham Summit, for instance.
Yes, and he hasn't got horses. So I decided to send this horse to him, and thanks to Grant.
Good move.
He's done wonders with him. I mean, this horse was a 95 at one stage, dropped to a 63, got to Grant, and I think he's probably going to get to a 95 again, which is like that's more. Well done to Grant, my brother. Oh, he's going to start thinking he knows something about horses. you know those conversations.
His head's going to get big.
And he's a fit and turner. Oh. So yeah, I'm going to have to listen to it tonight for 15 minutes.
Well done, Andrew.
But thank you.
Great to have Andrew back. We all know how entertaining he is. Please come in. Who's going to come in next? It's going to be Solomon representing Grant Maroon. Solomon, well done. This horse, I mean, since arriving here, Grant's done a fantastic job, as have you.
Thank you very much. I want to say well done to Andrew. He had very good race. Also to my boss, big well done to him. And then the owners, Mr. Peterson, also well done to them. And also for the whole sports beating to supporting us, well done to them. And also the groom, Gito, well done to him.
Thank you, Solomon. Here's Gito's check. 1,500 Rand, World Sports Betting. Gito will get that. Thank you, Solomon.
Thank you.
And well done to Grant. Mr. Peterson, please step in here. Surely it must be a big smile here because, you know, what Grant's done with this horse. I mean, does he feed it some extra food or something?
No, it's like a record repeating itself. It enjoys his racing in Gauteng. It didn't enjoy it in Cape Town. Must say congratulations to Howard in Cape Town, Andrew, who preached this horse from the start. It's doing very well. Thank you very much, and it's an honor to be a part of it.
5 wins now. Let's hope you can make 10.
Hopefully. I don't know. Never know.
You want to say anything, young man?
I just want to say congratulations to my father and the jockey who rode a beautiful ride.
Well said.
Thank you.
Thank you both. Well done. Lovely to have the Petersons on course here. Of course, Mr. H. Fortune as well. Well done. Family affair here. Just Var defied that top weight. 1, 3, 2 and 8. That's race number 6. 3 more to go.